Ethan, can you turn down the TV, please? I need to talk to you.
Sure, Anna. Is everything okay? You look serious.
Everything is fine. I am just making a list for the weekend. We have a lot of things to do.
Oh no, I don't like lists. I want to relax this weekend. I worked very hard this week.
I know, Ethan, but look at this apartment. It is messy. We need to clean the kitchen, buy groceries, and wash our clothes.
Okay. You are right. The kitchen is very dirty. What is the plan?
Good. First, tomorrow morning, we will wake up at 8 a.m.
8 a.m. on a Saturday? That is too early. Let's wake up at 9:30 a.m.
Fine. 9 a.m. We will eat breakfast and then we will go to the supermarket. We need milk, eggs, bread, and vegetables.
Can we buy pizza too? I don't want to cook tomorrow night.
Yes, we can buy one pizza, but we also need apples and bananas. We need to be healthy.
Deal. Pizza and apples. What else?
After the supermarket, we will come home and clean. I will clean the bathroom, and you will clean the living room.
That sounds fair. I like cleaning the living room. I can listen to music while I work.
Perfect. Then, on Sunday, we are free. We can go to the park or watch a movie.
I like that plan. Work on Saturday, play on Sunday.
Exactly. Now, let's go to sleep. We have a busy day tomorrow. Good night, Ethan.
Good night, Anna. See you at 9 a.m. Wow, the supermarket is very busy today. Everyone is here.
Yes, Saturday morning is always busy. Grab a cart, please.
I have the cart. Do you have the list?
Yes, I have it on my phone. First, let's go to the fruit section.
Look at these red apples. They look delicious. How many do we need?
Let's get 6 apples. And please check them. Make sure they are not bad.
Don't worry, I am an expert at choosing apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beautiful apples.
Great. Now we need bananas. Can you get a big bunch?
Sure. Here, what is next?
We need milk and eggs. They are in the back of the store.
Anna, look, they have a sale on chocolate cake. It is 50% off.
Ethan, focus. We are not here for cake. We are here for healthy food.
But it is chocolate. It is very cheap. Please?
Okay, fine. But only because it is cheap. Put it in the cart.